Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Amazon Alexa on a Bose portable home speaker. So in order to do this, first you will need to get your phone and connect this speaker to Bose Music app. On Android you can find this app on Google Play Store. So let's open this app, and as you can see I already added this speaker and created the account. Be sure to check our other video if you have a problem with it. Now click on the Bose speaker, go for this gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then voice assistant, and here is Alexa. Click on set it up, get started. One voice for all, you can read through all that if you want. Click on get started. Continue setup. You'll need to log into Amazon account, so let me do that off the screen. So after you've logged in, you will need to select your country or region, and for me it's Poland, so let's try finding it. Move to the next step. Here you'll need to log into Bose again, so let me do that off screen as well. And after that it will take you to your voice assistant. Here choose the language you want to use for your assistant, and in this case it's English US. Go for continue. Music services and Alexa, you can read through that. Voice assistant, here are some things you can try. So now if you call Alexa, the speaker will react. Now click continue, setup will finish, and your voice assistant is ready. Let's try it. Alexa, play music.
The music you requested is available with Amazon Music Unlimited. It's free for 30 days and then €3.99 a month until you cancel. Terms in the Alexa app. Should I start your free trial?
No.
Okay. You can sign up anytime by saying, "Sign up for Amazon Music Unlimited."
So as you can see, it works fine, and it listens to you all the time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.